Hi students, I am Kavitha. Welcome to Vijayta online classes. It's Kavitha. In the previous class, we have learned about the introduction of web technology. Once again, I am repeating here. Introduction of web technology we have learned. In the web technology, you have four units. How many units you have here? Four units. You have here four units. Unit 1 details of about the HTML and the overview of second unit overview of dynamic web page cascading style sheets. You are going to be learn further. To know about the units, I am going to be telling you. And the third unit you have here JavaScript, operators and the objects. And the fourth unit you have event and event handlers. Fifth unit you have extensible markup language and the document object model. Extensible markup language document object model. You have here four units. The first unit is you are going to be learn about the HTML. Say with me all of you. You are going to be learn the first unit HTML, forms, frames, tables and hyperlink. The second unit you are going to be have all overview of dynamic web page cascading style sheets. Third unit you are going to be have JavaScript, and the fourth unit you are going to be have event and event handling. Fifth unit you are going to be have extensible markup language. And come to the point, in the previous session you have learned about the web technology and the markup language and what is mean by HTML. First you are going to be learn about the First of all, you are going to be learn about the web technology. Let us see here. I am talking here. I am saying something to you. I am saying something to you means here how it going to be happen here because of technology. I am here. You are in the other place. But how we are communicating each other? How we are communicating each other by using technology. That means here improvement. By using technology, improvement means here the communication is going to be developed rapidly one by one. In the previous olden days, we are going to be learn about the you are going to be learn about how by mobile or by land phones in the olden days, and later we are going to be learn with the help of mobile, and now we are going to be use here smartphones with the help of live section also we are going to be used. But how all these things is going to be happen by web technology. Web is nothing but a page or a windows. That means here these web technology, to develop a web technology we have a language, we want a language. ఒక వెబ్ టెక్నాలజీని డెవలప్ చేయడానికి ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్ని యూజ్ చేయాలి. వాట్ లాంగ్వేజ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి యూజ్డ్ హియర్? మార్కప్ లాంగ్వేజ్. వాట్ లాంగ్వేజ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి యూజ్డ్ హియర్? మార్కప్ లాంగ్వేజ్. The language, markup language, say with me here, the language is used to design the web page. The language is used to design the web page. Telugu language is there. The Telugu language is only used in the AP or Telangana, and the English language is going to be used in the worldwide. And whereas the Hindi language is going to be used for the communication purpose by people. The animals are going to be used Hindi, Telugu, English? No. These language is only used to communicate the people. But I wanted to communicate with the system. ఒక సిస్టంతో మాట్లాడాలి, ఒక సిస్టంలో ఉన్న వెబ్ పేజ్ని చదవాలి. I wanted to read the web page. I wanted to read the web page. I wanted to design the web page. To design the web page, we are going to be used a language. That language is known as here markup language. And what is mean by HTML? I am going to be tell you here what is mean by HTML. The HTML is, see here, the markup language is a language that builds the web page. ఒక మార్కప్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఎందుకు చేస్తామంటే ఒక వెబ్ పేజ్ని డిజైన్ చేసుకోవడానికి మార్కప్ లాంగ్వేజ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ద వెబ్ పేజ్ is a web document available in the world wide. Let us see this page. I can be send it to any place, anywhere, anytime. How it going to be possible? By technology. I can design a graphics, I can design a audio, I can design a video, I can design an animation by markup language. ఒక మార్కప్ లాంగ్వేజ్ యూజ్ చేస్తూ ఒక వెబ్ పేజ్లో గ్రాఫిక్స్ డిజైన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఒక వెబ్ పేజ్లో ఆడియోని డిజైన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఒక వెబ్ పేజ్లో వీడియోస్ డిజైన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఒక వెబ్ పేజ్లో యానిమేషన్ ఐ కెన్ ఆల్సో బి డిజైన్డ్ హియర్. And let us see here, for this markup language what we are going to be used. For this markup language what we are going to be used here. See here, I am learning the Telugu means, for the Telugu what we are going to be learn alphabets. That means here we are going to be learn. For English I wanted to learn. What we are going to be used here? Letters, alphabets. The English alphabets A B C. For Hindi alphabets. In the same way, here also for the markup language what we are going to be used here means here HTML, DHTML, XML and XHTML. Further you are going to be learn. Now we are going to be learn about what is mean by HTML. What is mean by HTML. You are going to be learn here what is mean by HTML. I am going to be tell you what is mean by HTML. Let us see here. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The language which is used to mark the text, by hyper page. Hyper is nothing but here page, which is used to design the page. The HTML language is used to create the web pages. ఒక పేజ్ని క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్ యూజ్ చేసాము. ఆ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఏంటంటే HTML, హైపర్ టెక్స్ట్ మార్కప్ లాంగ్వేజ్. The HTML is describe the structure of web page. It going to be describe the structure of web page. HTML consisting of series of elements. Let us see here, in our body we have so many parts. In the same way in the HTML also it consisting of so many elements. Further we are going to be learn those elements here. HTML elements tells the browser HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. See here, our hand is there. Hand is used to do the hand work. Eyes is going to be do the eyes. Nose is going to be do the nose job. That means here nose will going to be do the smell. It going to be, that means it going to be make the sense of the smell. And the mouth is going to be do the, it is used to talk. Hand is going to be do for the work. In the same way the HTML it tells the browser how to display the content. And these HTML elements a piece of content such as we can create the headings, we can use a paragraph and we can also create the links. We can create all these links and come to the point here, and we have learned here all these things. What is mean by, how many units we have here? 5 units. And what we have learned today? What is web technology? What is markup language? What is HTML? Web technology is a technology which is used to communicate between the two systems. I am going to see the figures here. The technology is used to communicate between the two systems. ఒక సిస్టమ్ నుంచి ఇంకో సిస్టమ్కి మాట్లాడాలి అంటే ఒక టెక్నాలజీని యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఏం టెక్నాలజీ అది? వెబ్ టెక్నాలజీ. దట్ టెక్నాలజీ, సీ హియర్, ద web technology refers to the means by which the computer communicate with each other by using markup language. And multimedia package, so many packages are going to be used here. That is mean by technology. I am sending a message, this computer is going to be received. How it going to be happen? By web technology. And come to the point here, and now we have learned the markup language. With the help of markup language, I can design the graphics, I can design the audios, I can create the videos, I can use the animation on the page. See here, here we have a text and here we have a video. How it going to be possible by the two things? That is mean by with the help of markup language. Then what markup language we are going to be learn here? HTML, DHTML, XML, XHTML. That is the class. Today we are going to be learn here three things. Today we have learned here three things. What are the three things here? What is mean by web technology? What is a markup language? What is HTML? What is web technology? What is markup language? What is HTML? The technology which is used to communicate between the two systems, or the communicate between the two media, communicate between any things which we are going to be used for the technology. The language which is markup language means here the language which is used to communicate, the language which is used to design the web pages. It is used to design the web page. To design the web page, what language we are using here? HTML. ఒక పేజ్ని డిజైన్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్ కావాలి. ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం? HTML లాంగ్వేజ్, హైపర్ టెక్స్ట్ మార్కప్ లాంగ్వేజ్. హైపర్ టెక్స్ట్ మార్కప్ లాంగ్వేజ్. Let us see here. C, C++, Java is there. Those are used to design the web pages? No. Those are used to design the application only. It cannot be used to design the web page. ఒక వెబ్ పేజ్ని క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవడానికి HTML లాంగ్వేజ్ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. C, C++, Java యూజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి we have to develop an application. That application, ఒక అప్లికేషన్ని డెవలప్ చేసుకోవడానికి those are known as here C and C and C, C, C++ and the Java. Those language which is used to design the software, which is used to develop the software we are going to be used. But now the HTML is going to be used to design the web pages. Thank you one and all here. Today we have the session, we have learned the session is here web technology, markup language and what is mean by HTML.